Hello friends, I Dr. Vivek Rukmani from Sherry Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. Today we are going to see about experiment number 7, that is related to file handling. Okay, first aim of this experiment, that is to write a program for file handling. Software requirement as usual Python 3.6 version. Theory of this experiment, first we will see here. First point, that is for file handling, that is a Python file open. How to open file in Python? Just like you have already seen in C, you have write something and stored in packet. Just like here also facility available in Python, that is a file. If you type something in your file, source code automatically stored in packet in your file. Here we will see practically how to you store that particular data in your file. Now see, file handling is an important part of any web application. That means just you enter in, you already seen on website, just one form available, you can enter your details, automatically save that detail in that particular form. Just like same happen with your Python also. That means Python handling is an important part of any web application. Python has several functions, just like for creating file, reading file, updating file and deleting file. Okay, now first we will see the file handling. The key function for working with files in Python is the open function. And that means using of that open, you can working with the files. First, if any operation you want to perform, that is creating, reading, updating and deleting, that time you first need to open that particular file, and then only you can particular read that particular file. After that, the open function takes two parameters, file name and mode. That means it is a mandatory to defining file name and their particular mode into that particular file. Now there are four different methods for opening a file. That is a R, read. Using R, that is a read, default value open the file for reading. Error if the file does not exist. A, append, open a file for appending, create the file if it does not exist. Third mode, W, write mode, opens a file for writing, create the file if it does not exist. X mode, that is creating a file, specified file, return an error if the file exists. In another addition of two modes can be available, that is file should be handled as a binary or text mode. For binary use for the B, that is a binary mode, example images store. Suppose if you want to store any images in file, use of that binary mode. If you want to store any text, that time use of T, that is the default value of text mode. Then see here, we will all these modes are, that is the R mode, A mode, W mode and X mode. Again for your T and binary, we will see one by one how to use, what is the syntax of that. First syntax, to open a file for reading, it is enough to specify name of the file. If you want to open any file for the reading purpose, it is to specify to name of file. That is examples, f equal to open file name demo file.txt. Automatically that can be open that particular file. The code is the same, that is f open demo file.txt rt, that is read and text. That means because R and T, read and text are default value, you don't need to specify them. That means you can directly to mention this. Those are the highlighted part. F equal to open demo file.txt. Now Python file open. How to open file in Python? That is open a file on the server. Assume we have the following file located in the same folder as a Python. That is a demo file.txt. Where is your program save that file? There is a open that particular file and save that particular file. That means default file.txt. That is a message display, hello, welcome to demo file.txt. This file is for testing purpose, good luck. Now to open a file, use built-in open functions. To open a function, return of an file object which has read methods for reading the content of the file. That means examples that is given here. F equal to open demo file.txt are print f.read. That means if you want to something, open that particular file and read, that is f.read command you can be used. Then read only part of the file. By default, read methods return the whole text, but you can also specify how many characters you want to return. Okay, now if you want to how many characters you want to return, simply write down code of that. Suppose example, return the 5 first character of the files. If you want to 5 first character of the files, then f open demo file text and read 5 first character, that is print f dot read 5. Suppose 10 character available, you can directly mention print f dot read and 10. Then read line, this is for particular characters. Now you want to read lines. One file available, 100 lines available, you want to read that particular line, then you can return a one line by using read line methods. Then read one line of the file, that is f equal to open demo file.txt r, then print f dot read line. Then by calling read line 2 times, you can read the 2 first lines. The example of that particular, read the 2 lines of the file. See here, f equal to open demo file.txt and r, print f dot read line, print f dot read line. There is a 2 line. If you want to read 2 times, write down such type of a code. Then suppose if you want to 100 lines, it is not possible to write down 100 times print f dot read line. That time you directly use your looping through the lines of the file. You can read the whole files line by line. That means you simply use loops, that is a f equal to open demo file dot txt r mode, that is a for x in range. That is what is your for loop. You define, suppose 100 lines if you want to read, for I in a 100 lines, whatever the print that particular 100 lines. Okay, this is for your reading lines. Then second part of this experiment, that is a Python file write. How to write in the file? In writing to an existing file, to write an existing file, you must be add parameter to the open functions. A append will append to the end of a file. W, that is for write, will overwrite any existing content. Now example of C here. Now first, that is the appending. That way, if you already existing text available in your file, if you want to add something text, that may automatically that is available. Then W will overwrite any existing content. Then example of open the file demo file.txt and appended content to the file. F equal to open demo file.txt a, that means you can here you append something text in that file, existing file. F dot write, now the file has one more line. Open the file demo file.txt and overwrite the content. Now f equal to open demo file.txt w, f dot write, oops, I have deleted the content. That means if you write something, see here, most important 2 parts. If you want to append, that means those are existing content available in your files, automatically next content whatever you enter automatically append that particular text. But if you use W mode, that is the write mode, automatically already existing content available automatically replace of the new content. Okay, that is a note given here. W method will override the entire file. Then third part, that is a file, that is creating a new file. To create a new file in Python, use the open methods with one of the following parameter. X create will create file, return the error if file exists. A append, that is all, will create file if the specified file does not exist. And W, that is a will create a file if the specified file does not exist. Now see, create a file called my file.txt. That means f equal to f equal to open myfile.txt x, result new empty file is created. Examples, create a new file if it does not exist, f equal to open file myfile.txt w. That means in this case automatically to open that particular file, and write mode available. That means you can write something that particular file. Now delete a file. Suppose if you want to delete a file, then how to delete? Delete a file. To delete a file, you must import the OS module. Without OS module, you cannot delete the any file from your system and run its os.remove. Sorry, using for this os.remove, you can remove for your file. That means remove the file demo file.txt. If you want to remove this file particular, first to import OS file, import os.remove file name. To avoid getting the error, you might be check if this file is exist before you try to delete or not. Otherwise you again mention to for the if else statement, import os if os.path exists demo file.txt, os.remove demo file.txt, else print the file does not exist. Suppose if you want to sometime if you want delete file from system, but that file actually present or not system you don't know, that time to file step of a query, that is if else statement. If file is available then and then only delete, otherwise message display the file does not exist on the system. Now delete folder. If you want to delete folder from particular, to delete entire folder use the os.rmdir methods, that is a remove the folders. Now see, import os.rm directory, that means using that Unix basic command, that is a rmdir and folder name, that means you can only remove the empty folder. It is check something content available, files available in that particular folder, cannot possible to remove that particular folder, that time only your folder is be empty. Now see the programs, that is we will this program try block. First you put your operation, open a file name, that is a test file w, then fh.write, if you want to something write on that file, except IO error cannot be find the readout data, and finally read the content file and close the file finally. Now we will see the practically how to execute that particular file operation will be performed one by one. You can go to for your new file, take new file, type your program, that is a first we will take the try block, that is a try, then for take the one file pointer, that is a fh equals to open, then test file, assign any one name of that particular file, test file, and mode available in that particular file, that is for your w. Then fh.write, this is my test file, that is this content you want to write particular file. Okay, this is my test file. Very good afternoon, very good morning. Okay, this line you want to enter for that particular file. Then put the some exception, that is a except IO error, then print error cannot find file or read data. Else print return contain in the file. File successfully. Then fl.close. Okay, now see here, this is our program for file handling, that is for try block we have taken open a one file, fh equal to open test file, file name assign test file, and W mode. If you want to something write that file, that is a W mode assign, write mode, fh.write. What you want to write? This is a my test file. Okay, very good morning. This message if you want to write that file. If file is not available, then print that cannot find file or data, authorize cells, return content in the file successfully. Finally, close of that particular file. That means your file is at a content that content write successfully. Automatically message display return content in the file successfully. Then go to and run that particular file. Again go to our user directory, that is a desktop available, that is a Python programs. Open that, extend number 7 dot, you are assigning name of that particular save. Matches indentation levels, that is this is a indentation that need to be fh here. Okay, dot close file. Then okay, again unexpected indentations, that means start here. Okay, then run. Now see, successfully run the program, return content in the file successfully. That means whatever the message you want to write, automatically successfully to return. Now see, actually return or not, how you identify? Go to that particular save folders. What is your message? This is my test file. Very good morning. This message actually saved their file or not? We will check it physically also. Okay. Now go to that particular folder. This is folder that is for your Python programs. Then this file. See that file. Test file. Open that particular file. Okay. Open this in Notepad. See. This is this message. This is my test file. Very good morning. That means this message there as it is to print. Okay, again you will check, that is another message you type here. Type here another message, that is a I am student of SIT COE. I am the student of SIT. Okay, this message you want to type. Check that message right or not successfully in file. Okay, message display, return content in the file successfully. Again go to that particular file. Okay, go to that particular folder, that is the folder of the Python programs. See here, that test file that contain save or not. Again open that particular file using of your Notepad, that is a I am student of SIT, that can be here to be printed automatically. That means file can save for the use particular content. Okay, whatever you type automatically store that particular file. That is the advantage of your file handling concept. Okay, getting that? Also, suppose you want to append. Now already that message is available for your file, that is for I am the student of SIT. Suppose you want to type I am the student of the SIT, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Department of CS. Simply type this message. That means what change for this program? We open a one file, create a one file, test file, and we want to append particular message. Already message available that particular file. I am the student of SIT. Next statement you want to add, that is Department of CS. Okay, now check this statement add using append mode or not. Now return content in the file successfully. Now check that state particular file. Now test file available here. Open that file. Again open in Notepad. See, I am the student of SIT, Department of CSE. Automatically to append that particular statement, append that particular file. That is whatever mode use, automatically use that particular file. First program we will see only for the using write content. Second program for Department of CS. Okay. Suppose here you want to suppose you want only for the read permission. Okay. If you want to again type that Department of CS that particular file. If that time to produce a step of a error, file cannot be find or read the data. उसको भी run mode See, file cannot be file or data. Why happens such type of a thing? Because you are not assigning any write permission particular file. You only for the read permission. That means also you perform at all read, write and execute operation also. Okay, you can perform append file, write file and read the files. Change the file name of this thing and display to particular message, that is a write content in the file successfully. You can practice. Okay, you can automatically get that concept, that is a file, how to file handle using your Python programming. Okay, thank you for attending the today lectures. Thank you very much.